Draw the soul on the paper. Cut it off. Transfer the soul on the cartoon. We need more pieces. Cut the soul off. Bend the cartoon. I'm using an universal glue. Press. I want the soul to be more higher. I glue 6 pieces together. File the surface. Cut a piece of cartoon and bend it. Glue it. Measure. Cut and glue it. Measure and cut a piece. To glue it on the soul, fill the hole with silicone. I'm using a glue gun. Glue the cartoon. File the excess. Paint the shoes with brown acrylic paint. Paint with yellow. Apply matte varnish. Make a pattern. This will be the front of the shoes and this will be the back. I choose a shiny leather. Transfer the pattern on the material. First, glue the front. I don't like the corner, so I cut it off. Now glue the back. Make some holes. Insert wax floss. Hide the floss inside. These boots are so comfortable. Shame that was the last pair. Don't worry, next time we'll find something for you.